Ethics. Moral behavior productive for people and society. Ethics are moral standards of behavior considered productive for the long-term maintenance and growth of people and society. A code of ethics is a defined set of standards by which real estate professionals measure themselves and act. The foundation of all behavior standards is trust. Sellers and buyers can only function in an environment of trust. Ethics are the standards of behavior considered acceptable for the well-being and growth of people and society. Related words: Code of Ethics. Commercial acre. Area of land in subdivision left minus streets. A commercial acre is also known as a buildable acre. A commercial acre is the remaining area left over after the area taken up by streets, sidewalks, alleys, curbs, etc. is subtracted from the overall area of a subdivision. The usefulness of a commercial acre is that a developer of subdivisions can plan on how much area of property it will have to sell and make money from. Synonyms: buildable acre. Institutional lender. Pools deposits and lends. To understand an institutional lender, first think of an individual person who lends money, parentheses, a non-institutional lender, end parentheses. He or she would save money, then lend it to another person, then make a little money and lend again. The individual is limited by his or her ability to come up with enough money to lend to those who want to borrow. But what if many people got together and pooled their money and created a large enough supply to lend to those who wanted it? This is what an institutional lender is. An institutional lender is an organization which accepts deposits from individuals and pays them an interest rate to do so, then lends the pooled funds to those who want to borrow at a slightly higher interest rate. The difference in the two interest rates is called the spread, and this is what institutional lenders do and how they make money. An institutional lender may also go to the Fed and borrow money to reloan to its lenders in the same manner. An institutional lender might be a credit union, bank, thrift, or life insurance company. Antonyms: non-institutional lender. CAN-SPAM Act of 2003 regulates business emailing. The CAN-SPAM Act of 2003 regulates business emailing of potential customers. The rules of the Act first define business emailing as an email for the purpose of gaining a customer. Once a salesperson and a customer are engaged in a transaction, then such emails are excluded from the Act. Business emails must be clearly identified as a solicitation, must include a valid postal address, include the option for the receiver to opt out of future emails from that sender, and a return email address. Penalties for violations include fines and possible jail terms up to 5 years. The CAN-SPAM Act of 2003 regulates business emailing. Related words: commercial email, do not call, do not fax. Extended Coverage Policy. American Land Title Association, ALTA. Title Insurance Policy. There are two types of title insurance policies. There is the California Land Title Association, parentheses, CLTA, end parentheses, quote, standard, end quote, policy, and there is an American Land Title Association, ALTA, quote, extended coverage, end quote, policy. The standard policy ensures matters of record, forgery, impersonation, non-legal competent party, non-intent to convey title, losses due to federal estate tax lien, and expenses incurred in defending a title. The standard policy does not ensure hidden title defects, unrecorded easements and liens, unrecorded rights or claims of persons in physical possession of the land, unrecorded rights or claims not discoverable by physical inspection, mining claims, reservations in patents or water rights, and zoning ordinances. The extended policy covers additional items including unrecorded rights or claims of persons in physical possession of the land, reservations in patents, and unmarketability of title. Synonyms: ALTA policy. Antonyms: standard policy, CLTA policy. Related words: title insurance. Agency: legally binding representation to do a job. Agency is the concept that one person, parentheses, the agent, end parentheses, represents another, parentheses, the principal, end parentheses, and the agent can make commitments and work on behalf of the principal as if the agent was the principal. The agent has a fiduciary responsibility, parentheses, a relationship of trust and confidence, end parentheses, with the principal. The agent acts on behalf of the principal as if he was the principal. A special agent performs a specific task, and a general agent deals in all concerns. So a real estate agent is a special agent working on the real estate issues. Order to desist and refrain. Court order to stop doing something. An order to desist and refrain is an order by a court to stop something. An order to cease and desist is also an order to stop something, but does not have to be given by a court. A cease and desist order can be from a person to a person, as it is a threat to stop what is being done or face legal action. A desist and refrain order is after a court action and a finding by the court, and therefore the court tells someone or an entity to stop what they are doing. Related words: order to cease and desist. Equal right of possession. All owners have access and full use of property. Equal right of possession is one of the unities of co-ownership. Co-ownership is two or more people having an interest in real property. Potential unities in real property include unity of time, parentheses, all co-owners become owners at the same time, end parentheses, unity of title, parentheses, all co-owners take title on the same deed, parentheses, unity of interest, parentheses, all co-owners have an equal and undivided interest in the property, and unity of possession, parentheses, all co-owners have equal right to access and use the property, end parentheses. The four unities here are the unities of joint tenancy. The types of tenancy outline the ways co-owners can own property, parentheses, common tenancy, joint tenancy, partnership tenancy, and common property tenancy, end parentheses. Equal right of possession is a unity of co-ownership and means that all owners have access and full use of the property. Actual authority. Authority to act on one's behalf. Actual authority is the same thing as express authority, written or spoken direction to act on one's behalf, as in an agency relationship or in a power of attorney relationship. Synonyms: express authority, related words, power of attorney, agency. Adjustable rate mortgage, parentheses ARM and parentheses ARM. Real estate loan with moving interest rate. An adjustable rate mortgage, parentheses ARM and parentheses ARM, is a real property loan with an interest rate that varies according to some set index. The, quote, 11th District Cost of Funds, end quote, is a very popular index at this writing to which to tie the interest rate of variable rate mortgages. Why would a lender want such a thing? Because if interest rates go up, the lender would like to know they are receiving a current market rate for their loans. Property owners are often more comfortable with a flexible rate of interest, so they can predict the cost of a loan over the life of the loan. An adjustable rate mortgage is a mortgage with a moving interest rate which is tied to some financial index. There is also such a thing as an adjustable rate trust deed. Antonyms: fixed rate mortgage. Related words: adjustable rate mortgage, adjustable rate deed.